Imagine this. You've got crews ready, trucks wrapped, yard signs loaded, but you're still waiting on the right homeowners to call. That's where highly targeted programmatic advertising comes in for residential roofers. As a roofing company, you don't need more clicks. You need qualified homeowners in the right neighborhoods at the right time, especially right after storms, high winds, or when roofs are aging out. Traditional ads blast your message to everyone. Programmatic lets you laser focus on the households most likely to need a new roof or major repair. With Programmatic, we can target specific neighborhoods and zip codes where you want more jobs down to the street level. Layer in income and home value data, so you're in front of homeowners who can afford a full replacement, not just patch jobs. Follow recent storms, serving ads to homeowners who just had wind and rain rip through their shingles. Retarget website visitors who clicked your free roof inspection or book an estimate but never followed through. Reach insurance-driven prospects, people actively searching roof repair, deductible help, and storm damage claims. Your ads then show up on the sites, apps, streaming TV, and social feeds your ideal homeowners already use every day. The result? More high-intent inspection requests, more full replacements instead of small repairs, higher close rates per lead, and less wasted spend on people outside your service area or budget range. Instead of hoping your yard sign is seen, Programmatic puts your brand in front of homeowners before they call another roofer. So when they see missing shingles, leaks, or storm damage, you're the first call. And if you want a partner who speaks contractor, understands local markets, and can run all of this for you, Skymattix, a locally owned and operated digital marketing agency, is ready to help you dominate your service area, one neighborhood at a time.